Hey guys, it's QBF, and today we're going to be unboxing the X-Men Tornado V3 flagship version. Okay, we need some context. So, some time ago, I went to a competition called Baton Revival 2022. Check out the vlog over here. And basically, I won the fastest female award I didn't even know existed. And because I won that award, I got a free Tornado V3 flagship. So back to the video where we open it for the first time. Plastic, and this is the box. It's actually a really cool design compared to the V2. The V2 one is, I remember, really like plain, and this one looks just like so cool, the insides of the cube. So yeah, now time to open this box by shaking it vigorously. Okay, finally got something. Okay, wow. So this is what we get from the cube when you open it. It looks exactly the same as the V2. But what I noticed first thing, the V2 has black innards, black internals, but this one kind of has, I think what they call it, like primary internals. So yeah, let's take it out. Oops, do not open the box yet. This is like, I think they call it, yeah, primary internals, which is basically like a kind of transparent internals. Also, the box changed. It looks way classier now. It looks a lot like a GAN cube. So yeah. Accessories, I'm assuming they'll be exactly the same thing as the V2. Not much to change, except I heard that the inside, what's it called, this mechanism inside has changed, and you don't actually need a screw now, so you can just like take up the handle and turn it, which is I'm very looking forward to. Of course, we've got the classic bag, which I have already, but it's nice to have another one, and a card, setting tools, very interesting, and the cloth, which I don't really know what it is for, but I'm pretty sure it's just for cleaning the cube. What is this? This is the mechanism tutorial. I'm pretty sure I got the hang of it, so I don't think I really need this. And the last thing in this box, how to solve the cube, which I don't need. Okay, so we finally have the cube in our hands right now. Let me just put all of this away. Okay, so this looks so classy. It looks so much like a GAN cube. Let's do it again. Okay, no, let's do it again. Let's open this up. Okay, first thing, there is no plastic, which is great. I mean, there's plastic box, but there's no plastic wrapping, which is great. Let's take it out. Okay, so, oops. Let's do some first turns. This doesn't feel, okay, it feels a bit oily, but let's do our first turns. Let's go. Ooh, okay. This feels so much better than the V2. I don't know what it is, but it just feels so much better. I think it's probably the corner cutting. I had a minor issue with the V2 with that the corner cutting wasn't that great. So the V3, the corner cutting, seems to have improved. Okay, not yet. Maybe I just need to break it in a bit before it will get good at corner cutting. So yeah, let's just do a quick solve with this cube. First solve with the Tornado V3 flagship version. Okay, I don't really have my timer now, so we're just gonna do an on-time solve. Okay. Yeah, of course, the same sandy feel for every single cube out of the box. Okay, that felt pretty fast. I think the oil on this cube is still there, but definitely less than when I opened the V2. This looks like this is so fast, like seriously. Okay, I think it needs a bit of a break-in, but let's open the cube to quickly check out the mechanism inside. This is looking really cool now. I see the small handle. Try to take it out. There it is, the handle. So the handle, I'm pretty sure it's clockwise to Wait, let me refer to the thingy. Pretty sure I got the hang of it, so I don't think I really need this. Counterclockwise to adjust axis distance and clockwise to adjust spring tension. That's good to know. We won't be messing with the tensions now because I already covered that in my Tornado V2 video, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll put a card here. And yeah, so I think I'm just gonna, oh wait, let me just pop this back on first. Whoops. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my timer quickly and then do a couple of solves and maybe do a short voiceover review. So yeah. Okay, so welcome to the voiceover review for the Tornado V3 flagship version. Dun dun dun! Okay, so I forgot to mention a few things in the video, so I'm just going to be mentioning them here with overlays and stuff, so yeah. First thing I forgot to mention, this cube has a magnetic core, basically corner-to-core magnets. This function is also available on the Pioneer version, which also has maglev as in addition to this magnetic core. So yeah, that cube is really fast. I tried it out at QS before with no intention of buying the cubes, but the Pioneer was just like way too fast for me. The standard version of this cube does not have a magnetic core nor maglev, and yeah, so that cube, I tried it out, it's too slow for me. Flagship is just right for me, and yeah. Another thing I noticed comparing the V2 to the V3 is that out of the box the magnets on the V3 are set to settings number 2, while on the V2 is set to settings number 3, so yeah, that's something quite cool. So these solves that you see now are the solves that I did with completely no setup. This was right out of the box. Right after I filmed the previous clip, I just did this cool average. I don't really know how many solves I did, but it was quite a good session. Some 9s, some 13s, but yeah, it was pretty good. Now this is the ultimate question. Will this Rubik's Cube become my main? The answer is probably yeah. So this cube is really great compared to the V2. I think I had a lot of thoughts about maining the V2, but because of some issues that I can't really name, I just didn't feel like maining it and felt that my RS3M was better. I've been maining the RS3M for about 1.5 years now, and it's been a great cube, but I think it's time to change. So should you buy this cube? The answer is a definite yes. It is kind of pricey, I would say $32.99 US on the cubicle, but it still is a very great cube and I think you should definitely get it. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching till the end and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!